back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see the title, I will be sharing to you my everyday makeup look. So if you want to achieve this look, just keep on watching. Nandito na lahat ng mga makeup. So I first put a powder. So for my face, for the powder, dalawa yung ginagamit ko. So I'm using this Johnson's baby powder and I'm using this Maybelline cake powder. So yung first coat, I'm using this Maybelline, and the second coat, I'm using this Johnson's baby powder. Gamit ko siya for blush, for the powder, and for blending. Multitasking brush siya for me, guys. So I'm gonna get this, our Maybelline cake powder. I'm using this because it gives me like a color sa face ko. As you can tell sa camera, white yung face ko and then yung neck ko parang normal lang na color ng aking skin. So for that, I'm using this Johnson's baby powder. Mapatayan yung aking neck sa aking face. So after that, mag-apply tayo for the kilay. So for my kilay, I'm using this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown. So my tip is kapag anong color ng hair mo, yun din dapat yung color ng brows mo. So it depends naman sa atin, guys, kasi different naman tayo ng opinion. So for me lang, yun lang yung tip ko. In the first place, pa-color ako ng hair and it is ash brown, yung parang light, and then I colored it black. So that's why nag-mix yung color and it turned dark brown. So that's why I use dark brown for my eyebrows. Yan. Ayan, girl. Kilay is life. Huwag natin palampasin yan. You know naman. Girls, kilay is life. Move on na tayo. Next is sa ating cheeks. Let's not forget the cheeks because uso-uso na ngayon yung parang lip tint, yung parang lip cheek tint na binablend mo sa iyong face. I'm using this Tony Moly Delight lip tint in the shade 02. So red siya, guys. So in this case naman, I'm going to like get a little amount and then isa-spread ko dito sa aking Maybelline na cake powder sa kanyang cover, and then I'm using my multitasking brush, so I'm just gonna tap, ayan, and then apply it sa aking cheeks. Ang bilis niyang matuyo, guys, so it needs to be blended really fast. So next is sa ating eyelashes. So, minsan hindi ako nagmamaskara, minsan nagmamaskara din ako. Depende sa akin mood. So, for this video, I'm gonna put mascara. So, the mascara that I use is this Eye Charm Mascara. Sweep out the volume, maximize your eyes. This is from Miniso. So, I'm gonna first curl my lashes using my eyelash curler. Yan, so we are now in the final and last step of this makeup tutorial. So we're not going to forget the lips. So for the lips, I'm still using this Tony Moly lip tint na ginamit ko for my cheeks. So in this time naman, I'm using a full amount na. So guys, I think this is the look now for my everyday makeup routine. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope you like this video. So make sure to like this video and subscribe. Comment down below if you want more videos like this or if you want more tutorials like this. And you can also suggest whatever videos you want me to do next, or challenges or whatever. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!